welcome to Famous Bakery. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Hi guys, good morning. Right now, what's the time? 11:34. Oh my god, I've wasted a lot of time. 11:34. What was I doing in the kitchen? Ah, see, recording, like making a video and doing something takes a whole lot of time. Anywho. Why am I here? I'm here to say hi guys, hi siblings, how are you doing? It's a new vlog, it's a new day that the Lord has made, and we'll rejoice and be glad in it. I'm sweating because I'm from the kitchen, obviously, so I'm supposed to sweat. Yeah, today's itinerary. I'm supposed to write my manual today, so I have manuals to write. School has resumed, but not like school has officially resumed, but not officially resumed. I don't know how to explain it. If you're in Nigeria, you get it. But I'll be going back to school next weekend, right? So I would have to finish this manual. It's running like 3 chapters, and I'll be through. So I want to sit down and lock in and write the 3 chapters. I also want to record the I from the episode for Sunday. Today I want to record it today. Today is Friday, the 9th of January 2026. I want to record I from this series for Sunday, and I want to also record like batch creates for Instagram and Facebook short form content. These are the things I want to do today, and I want to also do my portfolio for VA, virtual assistant. In case you don't know, I'm a virtual assistant. So in case you're here and you're looking for a virtual assistant, call me. even while in the kitchen, I also did work because I have a boss, right? I have a boss, and I want to like there's a little work I needed to do for him, so I quickly did that in the kitchen. I couldn't vlog it because I was using this phone that I'm using to record to do the job, so I couldn't vlog that. But yeah, I've done that. and that's it. I also want to do my portfolio today, but that can come later at night. But for this daylight that I'm seeing, I want to utilize it to write my manual and to also shoot content. So I have like about six contents to shoot today, over seven. One I from the episode, and if you've not watched the I from the episode, um, last Sunday, if you've not watched the one I uploaded, please go and watch it. It's filled like, I'm not even saying this so that oh you can go and watch my video. I'm saying it because you need to. You really need to watch that. It's so enriching. It's so good. And the eye from this series for this Sunday is going to be beautiful. Ah, Lord. While I was doing my devotion, if you don't know what eye from the is, it means inspiration from my devotion. Okay, that's like abbreviation, inspiration from my devotion. If the one for next Sunday, that is before you would see this vlog, it should already be up because my vlog comes up on Wednesdays or Thursdays. I from this series is always on Sundays. It's good. If you've watched it, please put it down in the comment section. How was it? Did you share? Was it minister? What did it minister to you? Were you blessed? Just let me know, okay? Because I know it should have been up before this, but it's going to be beautiful. I know. So I want to record that now. And that's all I have to do today. Hi siblings, how are you doing? How are you doing? Did you do your devotions today? Okay, I have to stop yapping because this is what's now. Oh my lord. This is 11:38. I have to lock in for like 30 minutes to finish up the manual. It's not much. I think I'm supposed to finish it up for 30 minutes. So I'm just going to be playing something and be writing. Yeah, 30 minutes. And so by 12:30 I should freshen up and start recording videos so that I can quickly do that within 1 hour and then go about my day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. All right. Peace out. Guys, I'm actually ready for church. I don't know if you can see that. Today is Sunday, but I'm in the kitchen. Why? Because I came downstairs to prep food for my dad, and then but I'm ready for church. I'm just waiting for my mom so that we can head to church. At this time we're late, and I don't want making me late anyway. So okay, I'm supposed to be looking at the camera. So yesterday I couldn't vlog anything. Yesterday was Saturday, and you guys didn't hear from me on Saturday because hmm, a lot went on. So Friday, after writing my manual, you guys saw I started to film the video I told you guys about my iPhone, one of the iPhone the episode for Sunday, right? Guess what? After after shooting for over 20 minutes or so, all the clips were blur. Like the entire video was blur. I'm going to show you guys. It was blur. And in fact, if you have watched I from the episode, because I had to leave some parts. The part when I was praying, I left it like that because I cannot repray. I cannot repray, so I left it that way. If you guys have watched I from the episode, you get what I'm trying to say. Everything was blur. I was sad. I was trying to salvage the situation, trying to do anything that I could to know if I could salvage the situation. And it's the same phone that I'm using as my camera, the same phone I was trying to use to salvage the situation with any AI to. Tried all I could up until the middle of the night. I couldn't find it. So yesterday morning, so I want to eat breakfast. Thanks. So yesterday morning, I yesterday morning I woke up early in the morning and I shot the video. And after that, I didn't also do anything because I thought I was going to have a busy Saturday yesterday, but apparently we wanted to do on Saturday, we moved it for Monday, and you guys are going to see it on Monday, okay? So I didn't do anything really yesterday. Nothing at all. I was just lying down lazily up until the night when I had to come down to cook dinner with my mom. My mom cooked the dinner anyway, just helped her out, and then she went upstairs. I had to prep for Sunday meal. That is, cooking, frying meat, stew, and all of those good stuff. Anyway, that was it though. Why are you making noise so? So I had to do all of those things. So this morning is a new day that the Lord has made. It is Sunday, so I'm ready for church. I keep looking at myself instead of looking at the camera, guys. So yeah, I'm heading to the church. We'll see in church. After church, I want to go to my house in the school to pick some of the things I would need for the conference that is coming up this week. Because I'm traveling to Onisha this week. I'm still in the village. So I have to, my school is close to my village. It's not about 20 minutes drive or so. So yeah, yeah, yeah. Did you do your devotions this morning? I'm not done my I find it very difficult to do devotions on Sundays. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm going to church. So I really find it very difficult. Do my devotion on Sundays. How are you? Do you do your devotions on Sunday in the morning before going to church? Say the truth, though. Don't lie. I usually do my own on Sunday nights, but I can't do it in the morning. I don't know why. Bye, guys. Let me just eat and to move. Hi, siblings! Welcome to Famous Bakery! Oh my god!
Yeah, we bake favor here, you know.
You make favor.
Favor bakeries now. Yeah, we bake favor.
Welcome to Famous Bakery. Today, we want to make chin chin.
And crepes.
Look, the phone. Yeah, we are doing the phone. No? My mommy is not supportive of my content creation career, but when I blow, so bye guys, see you. The chief baker. Mommy say hi to the camera. Mommy say hi to the camera. This is one of our trainers. The people who are training in the company.
Better settings to pay off. I'm not going to teach him the secret.
Yes. People only meant to see basic.
I know the last time I did not easy as well. Look at the way I want.
I'm not one over. Star Wars chef. Mami, eu vou que se faz.
Peas, carrots, green pepper.
Mami, kò ní sọ̀rọ̀ sí àgíjì. Ọmọ kan náà wọ́n mú. Ọmọ náà wọ́n mú.
I'll take a guide and
Let's go.
The end product actually. Net the Minister of Enjoyment.
And this is the cutter. Say hello to the camera. Say hello to the camera. Hey, they make go my phone. Can you zoom now, ba? Then, Asa. And this is the fryer. And these are Kevin. And these are the audience. Say hello. Say hello, Mona. And this is the crier. This is the town crier. Say hello.
Say hello.
Say hello. And this is the clown.
Hi guys. Anyway, it's the next day. Yesterday ended on a chaotic note because we didn't change that much. Like we did about 10 kilos. Crazy, crazy experience. Anyway, this is the next day, and I just thought to come and close up the vlog. I know that you loved it. I know. Don't pretend. Yeah. And if you actually did love it, please subscribe, like, and share. And see you in my next video, siblings. I love you, and make sure you catch up on other videos on this channel and the iPhone this series up every Sunday by 3 p.m. Love you. Bye. Jesus loves you too.